everyone, this is Hatairat Ratanasuk. In this video, we're gonna learn about blocks and compound statements. What is a compound statement? A compound statement is a sequence of statements that can be used any place in the syntax that a simple statement can be used. You can call the compound statement is like multiple statements basically. A block is a compound statement. A block starts with open curly bracket and end with close curly bracket. A block of code you can see at this example. It has an open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Everything within this block of code, it can have a single statement or multiple statements. You can find the block of code in if block or in function. Okay. Blocks. A block can be anywhere in a program. You don't need a function or if statements. You can start to have a block, just like this example. So, is the following code valid? So let's take a look together. Is it valid? So the statement ends with semicolon or the open curly bracket has an end curly bracket. So this one should be a valid. So what about this one? Does this set of code valid? So I would say it's not valid, right? Because we know that all the statements must end with the semicolon. You should have a semicolon here. Yes, the first one is yes, the second is no. Local variables. What is a local variables? The local variables is a variable that is declared inside a block. For example, this code, you can see the current curly brackets here, and it has variable inside the block. This one is called a local variable. In general, variables can only exist in the block in which they are declared. You can see this code has two variables. The first one is called outer. The second one is called inner. The inner variable exists within this block of code. So whenever the compiler start execute the close curly bracket here, this variable will not exist anymore, will be gone. Please declare a variable only where you need it, so you can release the memory for later use. Local variables cannot be recognized outside the block of code. Yes, it cannot recognize. You cannot print out, you cannot call, for example, because after this line of code, that variable doesn't exist anymore. So it exists only within the scope, only within the block of code. However, the outer, or it kind of more global, right? This outer is outside the block of code here. So the outer is visible within this block of code. Let's check if we understand. Assume variable A and B have already been declared. Can variable B access A and B? So which one is local? Which one is more global? Which one like an outer? You can see the result, right? The result is outside the block of code. The variable C is only inside this block of code. We can say that C is a local variable and C exists only within this block of code. So you can see this line of code try to access C. This one would cause the error. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.